Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you another technique on how to create a centerpiece that requires no special floral tools. Let's jump right into it. For today's design, you simply need a shallow round flower vessel with a wide opening. Here I am using a glass bowl which can be easily found in any flower shops, and a pair of scissors. For the flowers, I'm using 10 pieces of medium-sized brushstrokes fern. You can use any foliage that is long and wide. I choose brushstrokes fern because of its hardy ruffled edges. Look at these beautiful waves, and this can make the arrangement more eye-catching. I also have Lisianthus as the focal flower, and some fillers. First of all, fill the glass bowl with water. Then we cut the brushstrokes fern in half by cutting along the stems in the middle. Place the fern inside a bowl and wrap around evenly like so, with a cut in the water. That way the leaves can stay hydrated. You may cut the bottom part when the stem is too hard to bend. If it's not too stiff, you may use your palm to massage the stems like so, because the heat from your palm can soften the material. Repeat this step until you got the bowl fully filled up. To make it easier to arrange and maintain a nicer shape, use the ones with the stem for the outer circles and the ones without closer to the center. When you complete this step, you should have tight layers of leaves that look like this. Then you can start working on the rest of the arrangement. Pick a couple of Lisianthus that are of different sizes and shades of colors. Next, arrange the flowers in between the layers. The leaves will keep the flowers in place. Start with the focal flowers, then the fillers. One tip that I want to give is, make sure that you won't overfill the bowl with too much flowers. That way, people can still see the beautiful layers of brushstrokes fern and also the contrast of colors and spacing. With this simple mechanism, you can create infinite possibilities. It's perfect for any occasions. You can use any type of seasonal flowers and make a table centerpiece easily, anytime, anywhere. I hope you all love this design I created for you. If you enjoyed this video, or if you would like to see more in the future, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video.